Hi, welcome to RTC. In this video, we'll show you how to enable God Mode in Windows 11 or 10. What is God Mode in Windows? Windows 11 introduced a new settings app, which is the way Microsoft wants most users to change settings on their PC. It has a modern UI, and it provides a wide range of options for users to tailor their PC experience. But it's not exactly a perfect replacement for the classic control panel. If you want to access those old control panel options, there's a feature often referred to as God Mode in Windows 11 that gives you quick access to over 203 settings in a very intuitive way. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how. Create a new folder on your desktop. To do this, right-click an empty area of the desktop, hover over New, and then choose Folder. Name the folder to this. You can download it in the description below. If you've already created it with a different name, right-click the folder and choose Rename to change it. Once you hit Enter after changing the name, that name will disappear, and the icon should change into a control panel icon. You can now open the folder to access all the settings inside. You'll find settings for everything from autoplay, user accounts, disk optimization, and so on. There are a total of 203 items, but that could vary depending on what version of Windows you're running. Because it's a standard folder, you can also easily copy settings shortcuts directly onto your desktop for even quicker access. Simply drag and drop the setting you want, and it will be accessible directly on the desktop. Whatever it looks like, the God Mode folder is a real time saver. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable Windows tips and tricks. This is Randy from RTC, and I will see you in the next video.